Is South Africa about to be another Israel in Gaza through the Cape separationist movement? Let us listen to Rutendo's views.
The sad part is whenever I raise an alarm on the risks that South Africa faces, I get messages like this. Focus on Zimbabwe, talk about Zimbabwe, go back to Zimbabwe. I'm already in Zimbabwe. But one thing that I know is that these messages come from the least intelligent of our people who don't see some of the problems that South Africa faces. And unfortunately for you, Bafana Bam, I know that whatever happens to South Africa has got an impact on the rest of Africa, and SADC in particular. It'll affect my children's lives, it'll affect my life, it'll affect the lives of many people within this region. And so that's why right now, at a time where the West wants to turn South Africa into the next Israel and Gaza, where they are currently